Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This is my app review about SpotWiFi. Now, this is a good recommendation to those of you that just joined FreeUP Mobile, free calls and texting phone service. If you don't have a data plan, they do a good partnership with not FreeUP. They do a good partnership with SpotWiFi. If you even go to FreeUP Mobile's official website, it shows you the 4 million free Wi-Fi hotspots in the U.S. and it's powered by this service, this company called SpotWiFi. So I'm going to go ahead and open a Google Play Store, and we can go ahead and type in SpotWiFi, and it's this third one. SpotWiFi Automate and SpotWiFi. So that's basically it. Minor enhancements and bug fixes. The last update was on January 28, 2019. They have an official website. You can check out the website. This is the exact same link that you will be drawn to on the FreeUP Mobile website. Now, it basically gives you a rundown of the service and application. It gives you information, tells you how to find a free Wi-Fi hotspots, and then it'll give you a map, and all you have to do is show them your location, and it'll show you all the hotspots on the map, and you can zoom in. Look at all these hotspots in California. Now, this is all in California. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. So yeah, check out SpotWiFi. All right, now let's get into the real application. Okay, and like if you have home Wi-Fi, you can save it to the application and change the address, change the name of it and stuff like that. So I don't have my permanent address in there. As you can see, I changed it and customized it for free Wi-Fi. You know, because I'm always advertising that. But yeah, this is cool. So then it has the map, and it'll show you all the hotspots on the map. It'll show you where you stay at, all the hotspots. I mean, as long as your GPS is turned on and things. Now you go to the next tab. It's going to tell you where to find all the free Wi-Fi. All right. It's going to tell you where to find all the free Wi-Fi. It's basically at the restaurants, fast food restaurants, your public libraries. Over here where I'm at, Valvoline has Wi-Fi, Planet Fitness, the gym, National Tire and Battery, Applebee's has Wi-Fi, Party City, Bob Evans, Boston Market, TGI Friday, Chuck E. Cheese, Dillard's, JCPenney, Snooks, and Boys & Noble. So these are basically partners with SpotWiFi and FreeUP Mobile. This last tab shows you the data usage. It shows you the data usage of today. So on Wi-Fi so far, I only use 6 megabytes. That's probably what I was doing from this video. And on my data that I have in the second cell, it's showing that I use up 3 megabytes. And I was only basically reading some articles and texting a few people in the Google Hangouts app. But yeah, so down here, it shows you all the Wi-Fi networks. And all you gotta do is scan or whatnot. And over here to the right, when you hit the tab, you can suspend, you can check your account, you can check the settings, you can send the log if you have any issues. Go to the About Me section and see what's the latest version is. And it's all 100% free on the Google Play Store, not in the Apple App Store. So you can use this on the iPhone and Android if you want FreeUP Mobile. But anybody can use it, but this video is basically pointing to those that's on the FreeUP Mobile free calls and texting plan. Their partnership with the unlimited 4 million hotspots in America, in the US. So that's a good recommendation application, SpotWiFi. It's been working really good for me so far. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What's your favorite Wi-Fi hotspot application, and how do you configure it? All right, leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. It's your boy, Two Phones. I'm out.